She's your queen to be, a queen to
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your girl, Nicole, the Pisces queen. Hey. Today, I am going to try to do a Megan Thee Stallion look. Now, I will show you a picture of her. I can't show you the video. I don't want to get copyrighted. But I will link the video below of her doing her own makeup and how I did her makeup the way she did it. So this is going to be a very short video. I'm not going to do a tutorial on it. I'm just going to let the video play and let y'all see the end look. And let me know in the comments, how did I do compared to Megan? If I can get a good picture of her in the video, because she don't take pictures at the end. That's me. I'm the one that does that. So I will try to get a good picture while she's in the video and put it here on the screen so you can see what look I was going for. And I thought it came out okay. You know, the makeup part, the foundation wasn't all that great. It looked bad on camera, but it looked good in person to me anyways. And that's all that really matters, you know? So, yeah.
But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? About all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water parasite, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah.
I did have a little chit chat I wanted to talk to you about. Well, ask a question about really. I was told all my life that men and women cannot be friends. I beg to differ. If the female is not attracted to this male and does not find anything sexually attractive to this man, and they could be friends in her eyes. She can tell him just about anything. Now he, on the other hand, I don't know. Guys, they think they can be friends with a female, but from what I was told, guys always think about a female in a sexual manner. I don't know if that's true or not. That's just what I've been told. If you're a male and you say different, let me know in the comments. Do you think that a female and a male can be friends? Well, I think they can be, because I'm friends with my coworker and I am not sexually attracted to him in any type of way, and I am married. So even if I were, I know that I am not going to do anything because I'm married. And anyways, I'm not attracted to him, but I feel like he is a very good friend. I want to call him my male best friend, but he says we can't be friends. So like, well, what are you? Because we talk about just about everything. Like, what do you call that? That's what I call a friend. Someone I can talk to about almost, I can't tell him everything. But I could tell him some of the things, like my work problems, because we work together, so he understands. And some of my personal problems that does not involve my husband, of course. So I feel like we could be friends. We could be the bestest of friends. We can be besties. But he said no. So my question is, what are y'all thoughts on the male and females being friends? Alright guys, that's all I wanted to say. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. And let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching.
For your boundaries, girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need to cleanse, clear the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no. You don't need
Okay, so I forgot to tell about the end of the video. This is how it came out. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looked with the all my lights on, which is right now, and then I'm gonna cut all my lights off so you can see how it looked with just my vanity table lights. I was happy with the look actually. I thought like I wouldn't be happy with it, but probably on my HD TV, I probably won't be happy with it, but I really like the way it looked. It came out pretty good. I really don't like putting on like a light concealer, you know, it's supposed to be like the highlight area. I don't know. It never comes out good for me. I think it's because of my moles. It feels like my face is all caked up, but hey, there goes Snapchat to save the day and make it look perfect. So anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.
That hurt my legs.